Good morning, guys. I just want to do a real short video this morning, and you can let me know if you want me to do more like this. I just want to give one real quick reason why I believe the Antichrist will not come from the U.S. Okay, some believe that the U.S. is the new Roman Empire, because the Antichrist will come from a Roman Empire, from the new Roman Empire. Some people believe that it will be the U.S. because the U.S. is a world power. However, the four beasts in Daniel 7, including the Roman Empire, come out of the Great Sea. Okay? So throughout the Bible, if you look throughout the Bible, the Great Sea is referred to the Mediterranean Sea. For example, describing Israel's border to Joshua in Joshua 23:6, God tells him that he has allotted Joshua from the Jordan to the Great Sea in the west. And in Numbers 34:6, God tells Moses the borders of the future land of Israel when describing the western border. God says, "You shall have the Great Sea and its coast." Therefore, the end times Roman Empire is situated around the Mediterranean Sea. As a result, the Antichrist who leads this empire cannot be from the United States. Okay? I just wanted to do something really short for you today. Let me know if you want me to do more of this, more things like this. And I love you guys.